So last week, did you catch that free live workshop? I did 4 days of live workshops on amazing topics like, well, it was during our live 5-day challenge. We were talking about how to know if you're a nutritarian enough, what to do on the weekends, how do you get out of a rut, all this really amazing information. So if you missed out on that one, they're still available, but they're only going to be available for a little while. So make sure you watch those live videos that we did, the replays, okay? Now the exciting, I mean, if that wasn't exciting enough, I am opening up again the Eat to Live family. What is the Eat to Live family? I'm glad you asked. It is my monthly group coaching membership. It's got hundreds of people in there right now, and we want you to join too. It's opening this week. What it is basically Facebook for healthy eaters, for people that want to eat healthy, to eat to live, people that want some camaraderie, support, group coaching. I actually coach everybody in there personally. I'm in there every single day helping, getting people to understand how to love your body, how to eat healthy consistently, possibly even lose weight if that's something you're interested in. That's something many of us work on. How to get over all this old diet mentality stuff we have in our heads. That's what we do together. It's this awesome sort of kind of accountability, but coaching and just helping each other out. Okay, so consider joining the Eat to Live family. It's opening tomorrow, Monday, November 8th. Okay, it's going to be opening at 8 a.m. Pacific, which is 11 a.m. Eastern, of course. So make sure you're on the email list to find out exactly and get the link to go and sign up. You're gonna go to thewateringmouth.com/email, okay? Just go sign up for my emails and I will send you a bunch of freebies, because this week we're not only opening the family, I'm doing what I'm calling freebie week. So every time that I email you about something to do with the Eat to Live family, well, almost every single time I'm gonna be giving you a freebie as well. Recipes and a ton of free videos, lessons, things like that. So you want to join just for freebie week, even if you're not considering joining the Eat to Live family, okay? So tomorrow, Eat to Live family opens. We hope to see you in there. Otherwise, just get all the freebies, thewateringmouth.com/email, and I will see you very soon. Bye.